Genesis 1, verse 27. 1 being God. 27 equaling the holy name, Jesus. And God created. That is the 337th word of Genesis. 3 plus 3 plus 7 is 13. 13 equals Lord, using the English septenary cipher. 13 also equals God, using the cipher. In Hebrew, love equals 13, as does 1, God. And love is Abba, having a value of 13 as well. The digital root, right before the final digital root, we see a series, 13, 14, 15. Then we see man, Adam, having a digital root of 7. 3 plus 4 plus 0 is 7. Then we see a series of numbers in digital root as well. In his image, in the image of God. 8, 9, 10 in digital root. He created. 11 digital root. Him. 12 male. 13 and female. 14. He created. 15 and in them 16. So it has a series, and God created, and it says right here the first and the last in Hebrew, 13, 14, 15, and then the digital root reveals a series from 7 to 16 in the word position digital root. So the 337th word in Hebrew word has a digital root, final digital root value, which would be 1 plus 3, being 4, and then the final digital root value of 1 plus 4 is 5, and we see here that 1 plus 5 is 6. So the series 4 through 16 appears by doing that place in the Bible itself. And the number of words that make up Genesis 1 verse 27 is 13 words. 13 Hebrew words. I'm going to use the English septenary cipher for the following Gematria, using the cipher of Genesis 1 verse 27. So, God created man in his own image. God created he, him, male and female created he, them. Genesis 1 verse 27, the King James Version of the Bible, has a value of 315.
Zodiac, using the cipher, has a sum total letter value of 16. Add the first 16 digits of pi, 3.1415926535899793. The sum total is 315, equaling Genesis 1 verse 27. When each of the 12 constellations of the zodiac is spelled out and the value of each constellation is added together, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Virgo, Cancer, Leo. The 12 constellations have a sum total letter value using the English septenary cipher of 315. The 12 disciples of Christ, there actually were more than 12 recorded in the Bible. So I decided to document each name, how it appears in the Bible, and there are indeed more than 12 names. So I used the English septenary cipher and other ciphers, but this one is going to produce a value that is amazing. So we have Andrew, Bartholomew, James the Younger, and James the Elder, and John. And I have Judas highlighted here at 21 because it's going to be the betrayer in this cipher as well. Thaddeus, Levi, Peter, Philip, Simon Peter, Thomas. So when you add all those up, it's 294. So the video has been about 315. All these things that equal 315. So when you use the value of these names of disciples of Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ does not appear in these names, but 294, the disciples of Jesus Christ, minus the 315, is the betrayer. 21's value, Judas. And I thought that was pretty odd, amazing. He's the betrayer in this case, but it goes even further. Okay, here's the names that kind of vary from the first list: Andrew, Bartholomew, James the Younger and Elder, John, Peter, Simon, didn't use Simon Peter, but used Thomas, Matthias, that's one that wasn't in the other list, Matthew, Philip, and here we have Judas again as the betrayer of this cipher as well. But this time I included Jesus Christ in this. And the sum total is 336. Now minus the original values that we were searching for in the beginning of the video of 315 equaling the zodiac, Genesis 1 verse 27, and so on. We are betrayed again by the name Judas, 21, the value of the name Judas. So the original, when we just looked at earlier, at 294, minus this list of disciples, 336, is 42. And 42 is 21, value for Judas, plus 21. 42 is a very special number.